Welcome to do090.com. In this generation, fame is wealth, but just like wealth, fame is hard to get. But not when you are using do090.com. Now let's talk about how you can get it from this app for 100% free for life. I mean how you can get free website, blog or social media views, likes, comments, shares, followers and more, or even content, music, video, or app downloads. You can get all what I just mentioned and more for 100% free for life. Do090.com offers many services. For example, you can buy airtime and data even when you are offline, faster and cheaper than ever. You can earn money using our app, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get free views, likes, comments, shares, followers and more. As you can see on the page, there is a list of web and social media contents that were submitted by others, so that they can get free traffic, views, likes, and more. You can also submit yours too, for 100% free for life. Now let me show you how. To get to submit yours and get the free services, you have to participate in the community building by doing at least 3 tasks that were submitted by others. Now let's do a math. We currently have over 1,000 active users who wants to grow their socials, and you are one of them. Now let's say you have successfully done the 3 tasks and have posted your own task, which is, for example, your new TikTok video on our app for free. Then be rest assured that our over 1,000 active users will like, comment, share, and follow, so that they can submit their own task too, which is equally the same thing you did for others before you were allowed to submit your own task. And as simple as that, that is how the process works. But if you don't want all the stress and you just want to skip doing other people's tasks, then you can pay a small fee for posting your own task. Now go get started. If you want to post for free, don't fail to read the instructions and the rules as written down on the page. And make sure you have done at least 3 tasks that were submitted by other users before you. If the task you want to submit is, for example, a TikTok task, then you must do at least 3 TikTok tasks. Doing a task includes you opening and staying on the task page for the minimum of 30 seconds, liking the content on the task page if it's a social media task or if a like button is available, commenting and sharing or retweeting the content, and following or subscribing to the content creator's account, page, or handle. Note that you must do all as mentioned, and you are not allowed to undo it, as same will be done for you. As I said earlier, if you don't want all the stress, you can pay a small fee to submit the task instead. Don't forget to read all the instructions related to each of the input fields, so as to know what to input. Please note that if you are using our free posting option, you need to provide the v-text before you can post. What is a v-text? A v-text is your social media profile or account link. For example, if you want to submit your Facebook video so as to get views, likes, comments, shares, and followers for 100% free, then you need to do some Facebook task, doing the same thing for others using your Facebook account. Once you are done, then you copy your Facebook profile link. As the message showing on the screen states, the v-text is used by our bot to complete system verification to check if you really did the task you claimed to have done. This is done to protect our app against spam users and abuse. If you fail to pass this confirmation, your task will be removed and you will be banned from using our free service, and also your account will face sanctions. So please, make sure to follow the rules and do not undo a task after doing. For example, unfollowing a TikTok account after following it will lead to you being banned, because our system verification is strong. And I hope you have understood a lot from this video. If you have any other question, you can replay the video and don't fail to click on the live chat icon floating on the corner of the page. A real human agent is online and ready to help you out. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow for more.